Hey, today, bit of an update for my project. When I first built my trailer and designed my trailer, I made a big mistake. I designed it with a flat roof. Now the problem with flat roofs are, as what happened with mine, it gives you spaces and places where puddling can occur in between the supports. So on my flat roof on my trailer, I have some areas that puddle. And when you're trying to use rubberized roof coating over plywood, puddling is very damaging. The water needs to go somewhere and better. So what I thought about was creating some supports to put on the roof. Kind of do a redesign. Take off one of the two layers I have on there now and replace it with something that's not going to cost me any more than $40, $50, and just add $50 to the price of creating the trailer, which will keep the roof from leaking and being damaged. So what I realized I could do is take a 2x4, rip it in half, as I've done here to this one, cut it down to the width of my trailer where I want to put my thing. You can see one of the marks there for this one. But then what I had to do is I had to create the curve, the arc. I thought about measuring out my distance and then going, straight across, but then I want to make the roof straight. I figured I wanted to create a pattern, and this is the pattern I created out of a small piece of junk wood I had. But to get the arc from my center portion where I'm going to have my vent is 14 inches wide. So I marked it off, and I realized I needed something to build an arc with, a curve. Something gentle, something easy, something natural. I tried finding all kinds of different things. Wire. I tried measuring it. Lots of different things. But then I realized I have this piece of wood that I've used previously for straight edges. And if you take it and you block it, which I did, I blocked it. And when you block it, and it does a gentle curving arc just by twisting it, which gives me a nice straight line, and it gives me a natural curve. So what I did was I took a C-clamp and I clamped it, piece of wood, inside my multi-use workmate here, and I simply drew the arc, drew the line, cut it out, and then did a sanding job with the belt sander to bring it down to the actual spot where I needed it. And this is where I'm at now. This is the actual spar that I've created. You can see it's a nice, easy-going arc. I've got some areas where I have to properly and finish sanding because I've got some lines still left for my marks. And what I've done is I've created these. And there. I'm going to be 14 inches apart all the way across the roof, except for the very front one, which is 10 inches. And it'll be ready to go. So there's an update for today. I got to finish getting this going before it starts raining. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.